There's a town built inside a massive meteor crater. Winslow sits near the famous meteor crater. America has a tropical rainforest, not in Hawaii, in Puerto Rico. El Yunque National Forest is the only one in the US system. There's a palace in America covered entirely in corn. The Corn Palace is redecorated every year using real corn and grains. At Lake Superior, waves can reach over 20 feet. It's claimed more shipwrecks than any other Great Lake. The world's longest cave system is in Kentucky. Mammoth Cave National Park has over 400 miles of explored tunnels. America isn't just big, it's unbelievable.